Feeling a bit lost in the maze of your Xiaomi phone settings because of a foreign language? No problem at all. Dive into this quick video guide where I'll walk you through the simple steps to change the language on your Xiaomi device. Let's dive right in. First things first, pick up your trusty Xiaomi phone and fire up the Settings app. Then give it a scroll till you spot additional settings. After that, tap on it. Now head into Languages and Input. Next up, tap on Languages. And now, you'll be greeted with a neat list of languages. Hunt down your desired language by either scrolling or using the handy search feature. Then, simply give it a tap. And just like that, your phone will start speaking your language. Pretty straightforward, isn't it? So there you have it, folks. That's the quick and easy way to switch up the language on your Xiaomi phone. If this video saved your day, don't forget to hit that like button. Want more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi device? Just hit that subscribe button because there is plenty more where this came from. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care!